driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that...
Good morning.
Morning.
It's 20 to 8 this morning and we're all packed and ready to go for the Animal Kingdom. We can't believe we've managed to get up at this time. Considering we didn't get back to quite late last night, and it was we had a few drinks and we're watching some live music, so we're really surprised and pleased with ourselves that we're up. So I'll do a quick OOTD.
It's just a wee cute dress I got. I think it's Sheen or whatever the name is. I just got in the second hand shop.
Nice.
And then some sparkly ears and my usual white trainers.
Nice.
I guess what you wearing today?
So a new t-shirt this holiday, but one I've had to wear from River Island. And then since we're going to the Animal Kingdom, I thought I'd wear my flamingo shorts today.
Flamingo.
And these are swim shorts as well, so if we get wet or anything like that, so that's quite good. And whilst we're here, we'll show our spoils from last night.
Oh yes.
So we went to that country bar, All Red, and
An international drive.
I didn't actually realise, but I was kind of on the bill was like this glass that I'd already paid for. But she's like, oh, you don't need to have it, you can take it off the bill. But I was like, no, I'll have it. So it's quite cool, All Red.
All Red.
And then, which is one of these famous songs that, what was the singer called again? We'll tell you in a minute, we'll look it up and tell you in a minute. But one of his songs got All Red, and one of the lyrics is, everyone's itching to have a little fun.
Yeah.
So that's written on it.
Which is so true.
And Julie got a nice grown up one. Which I think we showed you last night, but that's quite cool, isn't it?
I love it.
Cowboy hat.
Yes.
So that was quite fun.
That was good.
Just gonna grab a quick snack to go this morning, so feels like a kid in a candy shop. Somehow.
Right, I think I'll go for this.
Muffin. Could you grab me a donut? Please.
Do you want it on a plate?
Yeah, please. Those cookies look very good actually, but I don't know if I can take a cookie this time in the morning.
I know, somehow a donut's...
Donut's much more acceptable, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's us in the queue for the safari. So this was on our to-do list today, wasn't it? We never even went to this area the last time we were here. This is Africa, we didn't even come here.
Guys, watch your hands or feet.
Safari time.
Please, buddy.
That was the safari done. What do you think?
Oh, I was just going to ask you that. I really loved it.
Yeah.
It's just so, it's really relaxing. We've seen quite a lot of animals actually.
We did, yeah.
We were out and about and it was informative. Like just she mentioned some things, not overly so, and they took their time and stopped at bits, and we got some nice footage and
How long
pictures.
was that, would you say? Was it 20 minutes?
It was like 20 minutes,
Yeah.
probably about 20 minutes.
So
Aye,
now
it's
we're going to
good,
just go and try and see some other animals. So this is what, Gorilla Falls we're
yeah,
heading to.
yeah.
So we'll see.
Oh, we're
Oh, there's a
going
wee
to
research centre. Oh, is it creepy crawlies in here, Julie? It looks like it. A boa constrictor? Oh,
Yes, there he is.
give me the heebie-jeebies.
In there.
I don't. Oh, there he is. Yep. Sneaky thing. These are the weirdest things. Naked mole rats, and there's
There's one in there.
loads of them.
Moving
Oh,
on.
there's one there. I don't know if you can see that.
All the space and then they all like to sleep in the
I know.
Look at the teeth. Come back with me. It's like
There's a sand boa. You know, you'd never see that, would you, in the wilds?
buries itself.
He's hiding.
Look at his tongue. Smelling the air.
Oh, yeah. There's something cute about it.
I know.
Weirdly. I don't think I'd ever say that.
A bit of snake.
I wouldn't be saying that if there wasn't class between me and him though. Oh,
I know.
he's right above my
Did you
head.
not see it?
That's a dangerous place to be at.
I know, you shouldn't be under a barn. Look at these ducks. I don't know why that's so funny. I mean, it is.
Just looks like me thought and floating.
Look at it.
Kind of cool to see the ducks from underneath, you know, to see them from above so much.
Looks so graceful on the surface.
Yeah.
Two babies are wrestling.
Oh, babies there.
Honestly, Ada is probably laughing if she was yelling or screaming in any way or like making noises. The indication that mom would be, coming over this way. But gorillas do laugh, so that's probably what we're seeing here. Those are the babies right here.
You can watch them all day, don't you?
Grace and Ada. Ada is 22 months and
Getting on the wrestling.
The mum looks used to this. She is not bothered.
Meanwhile, Shada is like, how do I have to be in the middle of it? You have to be pretty patient. Ada, who is 22. Shada's
Maybe back for more.
Aye, the wee one started at that time.
Grace, I'm gonna say.
No.
cool wee train. This is Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Yeah.
So I'm not really sure what it is.
I think it's like a wee native zoo type thing. Should be quite nice. It's even like the big lights that's backstage.
Oh, let's go and sketch a pig.
Boyfriend for your safety.
Peeing for you now.
Oh, is he?
He won't walk away with his pee.
I should probably leave you alone to pee in peace, shouldn't I? Nobody wants that. It's a good bit to see the tree of life.
See ya.
And the more you look, the more you see.
Sing. I love you. You too. Thank you. How about this? Let's sing. You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. Make me happy. You'll never know, dear, how much I love. So please don't take my sunshine away. Very good.
We've just caught the end of the bird show there. It's really good, isn't it?
It was. It's great that they get the birds to swoop over your head.
And parrots can like sing whole songs.
I know.
It's amazing, better than me.
No, really good.
We're going for an early lunch today. It's only about 11:30. That's lunchtime for us, so we're going to go to Rainforest Cafe.
Nice to miss.
Oh yeah. I'm glad we decided to have early lunch because it's a 35-minute wait. So I'm going to be passed out by then.
Ollie should be able to hear over the tannoy for
Yeah.
our aim, because I wasn't sure if we have to stay in that area.
So we'll have a wee mooch now. For goodness snake. Brilliant, that's a zinger, that's staying in. We've been announced already, that was less than 5 minutes. So that's good. And Julie's like going at the speed of light now. Thank you.
Are you scared, Gary?
It's gonna rain.
Look at these cool bar stools, that's so cool. That is so cool.
Lunch is here. So we just went for, oh sorry Jules, what were you going to say?
No, I'm just saying it looks really good.
Yeah, so it's a sharing platter for 4. I know there's only 2 of us, but it's all we're having. We're not having a main. So it's a sharing entree, and then we got a wee side of coconut shrimp. So it looks pretty good. So I think it's like chimichangas, chicken strips, mozzarella dippers, and just some tortillas, yeah, and then a couple of wee sauces. So it looks pretty good actually. So let's tuck in. We've just done Flight of Passage again. It was even better the second time. I'm just looking at this cool thing here. And then behind it is a wee stand and there's someone trying to decide what to get. What are you getting?
The Bobo Bong, like the night or something.
Alright, cool.
Or maybe the margarita one, I'm not sure.
So what did you get?
It's a margarita
Cool.
with bubble balls.
Nice.
It's an avatar kind of theme.
Give it a try then.
It looks amazing. But try. Come on, you guys. It's so cold. I try bubble ball.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so sweet. Right, try that. You have to stick it to really get it up. You got one? You like it? It's so sweet, baby. Things.
So we've left Animal Kingdom and we're heading to Disney Springs. But there wasn't a bus that took you directly to Disney Springs, so we've seen one that said Saratoga Springs, which is one of the resorts. So we've went there and apparently we can just walk across to Disney Springs. So we're going to take a wee nosy at this place. It looks nice, doesn't it? So we'll show you it. So this is it here. And apparently, oh, there's a wee sign for Disney Springs there. But we're going to see if we can fill up our resort mugs. Just try and find someone to fill them up. But it looks nice here. So that's it's the kind of style of the buildings. So kind of, how would you describe that decor, Julie? Put you in the spot a bit here. We're not exactly architects or anything, but we'll describe it as nice. There you go, that's what it's technical you'll get from us. But it is nice. We haven't found anywhere to get our drinks filled yet, but you get a nice view of Springs from the other side here, so maybe show you that. So that's another Rainforest Cafe over there. I don't know if you can see that properly from here. That's it there. But we're not going back there, we're there for lunch. That was cool. There's something you don't see every day. A car in the water. Oh, we're having a great time in there. So this is us in the Springs now. So you can see Rainforest Cafe there, Goofy's Candy Company, like a Christmas shop. We're going to go to the Star Wars trading post, Julie, which is over here. Now we'll look in here, I think. This will be good. Oh yeah. What does it say? You keep seeing that. I know. Does the other one say something else? I love you. I know. Oh, there's the Coke bottles, Julie, I wanted. I might get one of these. Found a wee Encanto bit of the store and a Bruno shirt. Let's see if I can zoom in and you can see him. It's quite cool, isn't it? And you get mum bags, whatever you'd call them. And a wee Mirabelle dress. This is the Marvel section of the shop. It's actually something I haven't seen loads of over here, is Marvel stuff. But there's an Iron Man looking pretty cool. But yeah, I thought there would be more Marvel stuff over here. The Lego store. I like this. I like this, Jules. There's Chewie and Rey and Darth Maul. Not Darth Maul, Kylo Ren. And you know I wasn't right, I'm getting them tired. There's Anna and Elsa and Olaf and Lego. There's famous Gideon's Bakehouse. So I've heard such good things about this place that we're going to try it at some point. But you need to queue to get in. But the queue doesn't look too bad at the moment, or depends how far along that goes right enough. Not too sure. Looks like they're doing a virtual queue now. Now we're at the sort of normal shops, the clothes shops and stuff. So that's Zara there. The Coach, Lacoste. I think there's an Under Armour shop here as well that I wouldn't mind. Oh, there's Kate Spade. Right, we're going to go to Kate Spade. Really fancies going there.
Right, get myself something.
These are nice bags. Let's get an eye on them.
This one.
Wow. We are flagging the seats, so we've left the shops and we came to Planet Hollywood to get these bad boys. Vanilla milkshake, strawberry milkshake. Hopefully that will revive us a bit. Third floor of the Coca-Cola building. It's a really cool place actually. It'd be quite good to have came here and got a drink, wouldn't it?
I know, yeah.
Right, Jules, famous Blaze Pizza.
Yep.
You went for, what was it, Green Vine?
Green stripe.
Green Stripe, yeah, I keep saying that wrong. Green Stripe. And I went for barbecue chicken, so it looks really good. It's kind of weird how they do it, like they make it in front of you, which is great because it's fresh, but it's noisy and it's really busy. I don't know if Springs is always as busy as this.
I think this is the weekend, so
Yeah.
I don't know if it's something to do with that,
Yeah,
but it is busy.
so combined with the heat, it's quite a lot, isn't it? But we've got a pizza now, and we've got upstairs a wee cheeky beverage as well. So a wee beer and a wee wine in a can. What's not to like about that?
That's the wine.
Have you tried your pizza yet?
Nope.
No. Well, give it a try.
Oh yeah, it was good.
Good.
What you thinking, guys?
Really good. It's just dead fresh. And the base is really lovely.
Yeah.
You see them putting them in the oven in there, with loads of them in. It takes 3 minutes apparently.
Does that 3 minutes?
That's all it takes to cook it. But it's amazing. We're on our way back to the bus. We went up to see about getting in the queue for Gideon's and it was 3 hour wait.
Yeah.
So
No
no cookies that good. So that'll need to be another time. I think maybe you need to get there in the morning. So I've heard the queue can be about half an hour then, which is okay.
45 minutes.
But no, it was 2 hours 50 minutes. We
Yeah.
thought no.
We've had enough.
We've had enough.
It's been hot.
Yeah.
Just
So we're gonna go back at a decent hour and we're gonna get a cup of tea in my resort mug, and there is muffins that you can get at the resort, which I might get one of them. It's not a Gideon's cookie, but it'll be pretty good. So
maybe get something.
yeah, see you soon. That's us back home now, and this is probably one of the earliest we've ever been back, isn't it? It's 8:30.
I know, so tired.
It's been a tiring day. Springs was just chock-a-block,
Chaos.
and we figured out the reason why. It's Mother's Day today,
Yeah.
so I think that accounts for it being
Yeah.
so busy. So we couldn't get our Gideon's cookies, which is disappointing, but we did just go to the Pop cantina and we got a sugar cookie.
A big sugar cookie, because I've never had one before and I keep meaning to get one of them, so got the opportunity.
And then I get this, which looks pretty nice, doesn't it? So it's just a cupcake, very jazzy, so not too bad.
Yes.
So all in all, another good day. Julie did get something at Springs, didn't you? You got something from Zara.
Sarah. So I just got this dress. It's a kind of linen dress, and it's a kind of a blue kind of dress, so it's really fitted on the top, and it's a nice cut.
We're just gonna have a wee snack, get an early night, and it's Hollywood Studios tomorrow, and then we're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory at night. So join us again tomorrow.
See you later.
Bye.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight.